In this vintage gem of a video, feast your eyes on a masterclass from the elegant southpaw, Darren Lehman, who crafted a gritty 98 runs of 180 deliveries in an epic stay of 279 minutes at the crease. His innings laced with 11 well-timed boundaries came in the cauldron of Rawalpindi during the opening test of the 1998 series against Pakistan. Displaying a craftsman touch, Lehman tamed both spin and pace with composure and cunning, anchoring Australia's charge towards a commanding innings victory. A knock not just of numbers but of classic shade, grit and untold class. Unluckily, cricket's cruel script denied him a richly deserved century, dismissed while attempting a sweep of Mohammad Hussain, falling heartbreakingly short by just 2 runs. A century missed but not forgotten, such in the charm and the heartbreak of this glorious game. Sit back and enjoy this forgotten knock from the archives. Darren Lehman almost perfect in a land known to test the very best.
गेंद को छोड़े हैं लॉन्ग लेग की जानिब। मुश्ताक की गेंद को फील्ड किया और लेमन
lot of excitement, and Kaiwili totally unmoved, bowled the batsman. Running down the wicket.
Could be interesting. Mushtaq was pretty confident.
Very confident.
They try to play him. This is cut out the pad, and Mushtaq is just exuberant as he normally is. Maybe pad and a glove.
Yes. Yes, the wicketkeeper seems very confident. Start to Lehman. The field for LBW. So a lot of action in this first 2 deliveries. Leg by for Lehman. Again there it is. The bottom glove may have been the glove, in which case he's out. Aerial rule for Lehman. Didn't hesitate at all. 1 minute for her.
This is a beautiful clean hit. Scooping it straight over Suklan.
Yes, I think that word is precise to me. That's exactly what he did. He didn't hit it, he scooped it. He got 4 runs. A very effective shot. Glenn again with Lehman. The opening field, so caught behind. Cut round. While they take the second very quickly. He has the bails off of Moin Khan, but I don't think any need for...
This time cuts and cuts handsomely. That will be crossing the rope now. So that's 4 more to Lehman, and Australia moving on to 266.
The space, the distance.
For cuts and ball.
मैं आपको कहा कि उनका कवर की जानिब खेले हैं 4 रन के लिए। बहुत उमदा शॉट है टाइमिंग का। गेंद बाउंड्री लाइन के बाद 27 रन की खेल। 4 रन के लिए की जानिब से गेंद निकलती हुई 3 से बाउंड्री लाइन की जानिब।
Rightly said, with 6 fielders on the offside.
Once again, plenty of width, 4 runs. And the cover someone near boundary to toss the ball back to him, so no loss of energy there for him. That's going to be 4 runs. That's a very fine shot. Took full advantage of the fact that the ball was tossed up to him. Slight use of the feet, he got to the pitch of the ball and drove this to mid-wicket.
It's nicely executed on drive. The man came out, used his feet, turned into a volley, and placed a beautiful shot.
6 fours. Again edged. Fast slip. They take 2, they take the 3rd.
It's amazing. It is the man
might just try and hit him towards that region. But this time he goes back, cuts, gives himself room, will pick up another 4. That's the 7th 4 in his score of 46. So Lehmann's continuing to attack. Not afraid to spin
away for the left-hander. He gave him plenty of room to play that shot.
This is a fine shot this time. Once again leaning back over the ropes. So Lehmann gets to his 50, and what a fine 50 as far as Australia is concerned. A quick 50.
Look at it through. And that is what is called as feeding the batsmen to give them easy runs.
There it is. Plenty of time for Lehmann there, and square cuts that beautifully. 4 runs. This time it's off the pad. Flew into, tossed up.
Yes, good delivery. The bat is behind the pad, it's off the pad.
This time cuts and cut beautifully. That's another 4. This is exactly the shot he played in the previous over. And they still haven't got a fielder there. He's got 6 fielders on the onside. Just 3 on.
Very high regard of Shoaib Akhtar, who is doing so well in South Africa. Must be on a very high as far as confidence is concerned.
Going to be 4 runs, I think. Going to be a very, very long chase. And indeed it is 4. Thomas was straying down the leg side, and no problem at all.
Stride for a couple of overs, then again fine batting,
and a good try by Mohammad Hussain.
A very handy one-day player.
That's a nice shot and well fielded there by Saiwan.
Diving and immediately going for that one. Positive calling. Good desperate effort from Saeed Anwar in the end.
He knew the run was there. It's just like taking off from the starting blocks. He just plays it and takes off.
Very nice player Lehmann is, very confident.
And that's Healy, as he normally plays. A little bit. Cover region. And 3 easy runs for Australia.
जिसका फायदा ऑस्ट्रेलियन उठाएंगे.
कैच लेने की कोशिश, लेकिन गेंद को संभाल खेले हैं.
ये ऑन ड्राइव की थोड़ा सा टर्न हुआ गेंद में, और मुश्ताक ने चूंकि बॉलिंग करा के काफ़ी थक चुके हैं, पूरी तरह गेंद के पीछे नहीं आ सके.
He hammered the 4, as you can see on the replay. So you can't win them all. That's driven through the gap. There should be 2. That takes Healy to 49.
So the full toss.
And all along the ground. May have been tempted to trying to sweep, misses. I think he took his pad, picked off his pad, and bowled him.
In fact, Lehmann has gone too far towards offside. His middle direction could be seen absolutely unguarded, and that is where, in his desperation, he played that shot.
Darren Lehmann had a brief but impressive Test career for Australia, spanning from 1998 to 2004. In just 27 Test matches, he scored 1,798 runs at a remarkable batting average of 44.95, a figure that speaks volumes about his consistency and class in the middle order. He notched up 5 centuries and 10 50s with the highest score of 177. Darren Lehmann, known for his composure and elegance at the crease, he was particularly effective against spin, often using his trademark sweep shot to great effect. Though he debuted relatively late at the age of 28 against India in March 1998, he made the most of his opportunities and was a dependable presence until his final Test against Sri Lanka in March 2004. His strike rate hovered around 52, reflecting his steady, calculated approach rather than aggression. While he never played a large number of Tests due to Australia's dominant lineup in that era, Darren Lehmann's numbers remains a testament to a player who made every innings count. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.